Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best folding wagon carts available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Mack Folding Wagon Cart. The heavy-duty frame allows loads up to 150 pounds. And the durable 600D fabric can be easily cleaned. It has adjustable handle for effortless transport and 2 mesh cup holders keep your beverages secure. It is simple yet more than adequate enough to meet all your everyday wagoning needs and event planning. The lightweight durable design has a 150 pounds capacity, and is a must-have to transport heavy bulky loads. At number 5 we have VIVOSUN Folding Wagon Cart. It comes with its large storage space and sturdy well-crafted build. This folding wagon makes a powerful addition to your yard. This collapsible wagon is made of 600D Oxford fabric and PVC materials that are durable, waterproof and won't tear when you put something sharp inside. It is built with an adjustable handle that rotates as you need. The handle locks in place with a joint so it won't drop, and there's no need to worry about an out-of-control wagon. At number 4 we have ROMISS Folding Wagon Cart. This wagon was exactly what you needed for hauling. You'll be pleased with the quality. The outside frame of the collapsible wagon is made of heavy-duty metal, which is sturdy and anti-corrosion. The inside liner is made of 600D Oxford fabric and PVC material that are durable and waterproof. The 360 degrees rotating wheels can go to any direction you want. At number 3 we have YSSOA Folding Wagon Cart. The folding garden cart's telescoping adjustable handle locks and extends allows effortless transport across multiple surfaces with a load as heavy as 220 pounds. The folding garden cart folds/unfolds in seconds. It features steel construction, folding switch, skid resistant and 360-degree rotated wheels for better safety performance, easy maneuverability and maximum stability. At number 2 we have Mack Folding Wagon Cart. The heavy-duty frame allows loads up to 150 pounds, and the durable 600D fabric can be easily cleaned. Its functional features include an adjustable handle for effortless transport, 2 cup holders in the front, and a rear folding table comes with 2 additional cup holders. The heavy-duty frame allows loads up to 150 pounds, and the durable 600D fabric can be easily cleaned. At number 1 we have Amazon Cart. This collapsible outdoor garden utility wagon keeps gardening tools conveniently accessible when working in the yard. Its extendable sturdy steel tube with a premium plastic handle for a comfortable hold and easy maneuvering. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best folding wagon carts for your need.